Hello, in front of me I've got 2020 Skoda Fabia. In this video I'll show you things you should know before buying this car. For starters, more versions are well built but not very powerful, because they often have 1.0 TSI engine. Next we've got check for full service history and oil intervals, because 1.0 engines, if not good exploited, can be faulty. Some informations you need had Bluetooth pairing or display issues. Check before buying. If it has DSG gearbox, confirm maintenance. Oil changes every 60,000 kilometers. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.